Hello everyone, I'm Ray Greeley with the Great Falls Forecast Office. Welcome to your weekly weather brief for North Central and Southwest Montana. Please visit our website or social media accounts for the latest forecast information, or feel free to contact us by phone or email. Let's go ahead and get started. The period begins warm, dry, and breezy as high pressure briefly moves through the region. Then a Pacific trough brings widespread showers and thunderstorm potential for Friday. This system will continue to influence our weather through early next week, bringing below average temperatures, showery conditions, and even snow at times. Modest fire weather concerns are expected today due to the dry and breezy conditions. Then the focus shifts to the incoming wet Pacific system. Friday will likely be the most impactful day in terms of heavy rain and thunderstorm potential. Flooding is generally not expected, but the Bridger Foothill fire scar will closely be monitored for the potential of flooding, as this area will be at high risk for the heaviest rainfall. Scattered showers and mostly mountain snow will continue through early next week. The latest drought monitor still has much of north central and southwest Montana under some degree of drought. The wet weekend ahead will likely provide a needed respite from the dry conditions. Here's a snapshot of the expected temperature trend for the next 7 days. Much cooler temperatures are expected for the weekend into early next week. Those will mostly be in the 30s and may reach freezing in some areas. Expect snow levels to lower down to the plains and valleys during the early morning hours of the weekend. The combination of breezy south to southeast winds and low relative humidity do create some fire weather concerns today, but the ongoing seasonal green-up and the recent precipitation will likely mitigate the fire risk. Hill and Blaine counties currently have the driest fuels. There will be a quick transition to wet and cooler weather as a Pacific trough and cold front move through the region on Friday. Here's one model's depiction on how things might unfold for Friday into early Saturday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms will gradually transition into a general moderate to at times heavy rainfall Friday night. Notice the lower snow levels for early Saturday. The Storm Prediction Center has painted much of the region in a general thunderstorm risk for Friday. Any storm will be capable of producing lightning, brief heavy rains, gusty winds, and small hail. The greatest risk for storms will generally be along and southeast of a Helena to Havre line. General moderate to heavy rains will accompany the storms and will continue through early Saturday. Confidence is relatively high in seeing widespread rainfall amounts of 1/4 to 1 inch, especially for the southeastern 2/3 of the forecast area. The colder temperatures will likely lead to the lowering of snow levels late Friday into early Saturday. Most of the snow impacts will be for outdoor recreation interests. As the Pacific trough becomes nearly stationary, the cool and showery pattern will continue. Confidence is relatively high for many locations to pick up an additional 1/10 to 1/4 inch of liquid precipitation from Saturday through Monday. More snow will likely occur for the Saturday through Monday period, especially late at night and early in the morning. Impacts will likely continue to be for outdoor recreational interests. The 8 to 14 day outlook suggests that there will be a progressive pattern, with some periods of cooler and wetter than normal conditions. This concludes the briefing for this week. Thank you for watching this video. For the most current updates, please visit our homepage and social media sites. If you have any questions about the upcoming weather, please do not hesitate to email or call us. Have a great weekend, everyone.